Today we'll show you how to add a bank account instantly to pay rent from your tenant account. This type of connection requires you to enter your online banking credentials and allows you to instantly schedule payments to be deposited to your landlord in the fastest processing time available. First, open the user menu in the top right corner of the window, then select Bank Accounts. Then select Add Bank Account and continue from the pop-out box to move forward in adding your account. This type of account is secure with encryption, which helps protect your financial data. Your credentials will never be made accessible to Avail. Next, select your bank institution from the list of partner banks. If you do not see your bank in the list of available options, they may not be eligible to connect instantly. In this case, see our tutorial for how to add a bank account manually for more information. After selecting your bank institution, enter the credentials you use for online banking through your bank's website or app. Continue through the requested identity verification steps to finalize adding your account. Congratulations! You've just successfully added your bank account and are able to schedule a rent payment from this account at any time. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.